So this one is going to be kick the ball. I'm going to do it in the long format, and then I want you to do it in the short format and send it back to me. Now, you can pick whatever colors you like, but I am feeling both masochistic and sadistic. So, here we go. You got your wind up. Now, when you go to kick a ball, usually you have to wind up a little bit, or, I don't know, toe it, whatever. So you have the pose of lifting the leg, and I'm doing it with the vectors so that I can move all the pieces. It's going to take me longer, and you get to stare at this monstrosity for a little bit. I hope you enjoy. It's making me have weird after images every time I blink my eyes. Good choices. And from here, we are going to just drop down the opacity. Go to Skidoo and click it. Click the arrow. Find out where your pieces are. Who has what? Let's change this to be like this. Stick that in some weird disjointed pattern, huh? That's, that proportion's wrong here, but hey. Sure, this guy doesn't care. Okay, I hope he's colorblind, because this is headache-inducing. Now let's move this bad Larry. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. Yeah, that's what we're going for. And then drop down opacity. Did I turn that back up? No, of course I didn't. I wonder if I should just rush it and have it do it, and if I have it go fast enough, no one will notice? Yeah, let's do that. Let's go back down to 2. Hmm. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, try to have a little bit better proportions than I picked out because, hey, it's supposed to look something like a person, not some weird. Yeah, you don't want it to look like that. But I'm gonna say this is my artistic choice, and not just trying to rush through it or anything. Yeah, totally artistic choice. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Such a lie because that knee is going the complete wrong way. Your leg should not do that. Yep, don't trust me. I love how it took me a second to realize it. Oh boy. Hey. Alrighty then, let's move you here. Let's try to have the leg bend the right way. And I guess that wasn't too bad. I just have to move the upper thigh if it wants to. There we go. Have it slightly turned. Nah, that doesn't work out. Little bit of a back turn. Little bit. Yeah, that can work, maybe. Is it the same size? I don't know. We're gonna pretend like it is. Proportions are probably something that you want to pay attention to so you don't get weird, freakishy, fun looking things like this. But hey, it's all fun. What better way to learn? Mess up enough times. Do-do-do-do. Okay, opacity go down. Yes. 3. Now it might be easier if I just copied layer, pasted layer, remove layer. I will pretend like you didn't see that. Swear, this vector's just like to screw with. Okay, fine, whatever. I'll start with the foot. Oh, I don't want that foot. Hmm. Does it just hate me? I'm going with this just... There we go. Should probably have started with the thigh first. Do not make the same choices I make. Because they are perplexing somewhat. Do-do-do. Yeah, I swear this is totally going to work out. I am lying. It's gonna look disjointed again, isn't it? Kinda. Let's just, I don't know, have a B here, so it looks semi-wrong. Okay. Ball, go kick. So, click ball. Ball kick. Yay. Seems about right. Back to full opacity. Let's take this one. I'm gonna copy this one. Put in a regular layer, and then a vector layer. Rename it not to 4. I'm pasting. I forget I did that in the... Don't make the same choices I make. But hey, if you do this stuff enough times, you'll remember the process. I swear. Okay, let's remove that one. Go to this one. Try and figure out where the frickety frack. We want that up. That goes kick. Leg comes back down. And you know what? Why don't we move the arms going down to just, why not? He'll relax into a false sense of security or something. This is why I like Illustrator for doing vector stuff. I swear. Krita just gets confused. Or maybe the colors are confusing. I don't think colors really change that much about most clickage. Anyways. Now let's click ball. Ball go bounce. Wonderful. Copy layer. Paint. Paste. Down opacity. Hit the little fun dude. Well, guess that's a good one. And you know what? Let's have the arms come down a little bit more. Arms come down, ball go up, ball go bye-bye. Yes. This is why you should get some sleep, kids. Don't stay up all night. And ball go bye-bye. Bye-bye ball. Enter. Copy layer. Do this enough times and I don't know. It'll stick for sure. I swear. Probably lying to you. Yep, ball will go bye-bye. Great. And we have now gone full circle. So, merge with layer below. Merge with layer below. You know, I'm going to just do Control E for the rest of this. I think you kind of already get the right-clicking equals stuff. Or does it? Huh. Guess I need eyes for that. Merge with layer below. Merge with layer below. And let's start putting it in place. Click. That didn't work out as well as I thought it would. So convert to paint layer. Okay. So we have one, click. There we go. Yep, I lost 3. That's fine. We still have 4. We still have 4, so that's close enough. Sorry, 3. Or did I? Did I? Did I? Huh. Sweet. 4. Let's see. We're going here. Drop. 5. Do we have 5? Nope. Ran away with 5 too. But we have 6, so we'll just go straight to 6 and pretend like this totally worked out. I'm just not really gonna go back and try and fix it. Way too tired. But that's okay. Blank frame. Yeah. Let's see how this looks. Now I feel like I'm missing some opacity. Totally missing some opacity. Let's try that again. A little bit more speed. Still missing opacity. Where did I lose it? Lost it on 4. Close enough. Let's just speed that up. And yep. This is why you shouldn't stay up all night. It almost works, right? Anyways, so you're gonna want to make a kick the ball one. And I'll make another one kicking the ball back to you. We can play kick the ball back and forth until it comes out right and doesn't look like this. Probably have better color choices. Complementing colors, not contrasting colors. Whee! Anyways, your choice. Just send me the Krita file, and then I'll work off that Krita file. Probably be able to make it better and in one row instead of. This is why you shouldn't do the layers like this, because I lost some stuff. Thought I was keeping track of it all. Just like my dreams. Anyways. Send file. I do stuff. Return file. And we play kickball. It will help get smoother coordination with movements so it doesn't look disjointed and more words, and yeah, you can end the video now.